Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Lisa and today I have my new VanLilys subscription box. I am so stinking excited. So I already shared with you last month's box, which was for February. This is the box for March. So, and yes, it's still January and I'm so excited. I just peeked in here. I haven't looked at what's in the box. I just opened it up just to make sure it wasn't damaged because my box got kind of mangled going through the postal service. So anyway, let's go ahead and open it up. So I love all the crinklies. And it says, what's inside this box? The theme is fluttering green butterflies. Welcome March with green and delicate butterflies. Spring is near and so are the beautiful blooms and butterflies. This kit is filled with the light and delicate fresh feeling of spring while also hinting at the holiday that is near. Happy St. Patrick's Day. And then it has a list of all the things. And she always includes a really cute paper clip. So that's nice if you want to pause the screen and read what all is included. Okay, the first thing I see is the bookmark. I love these magnetic bookmarks so much. So this has a butterfly and a flower on it. I am going to go ahead and open everything up because I haven't seen any of this yet. I love, love, love her bookmarks. So this is VanLilys subscription box number 3. So there's a magnet on the inside and it closes. And this is like really, really heavy. It's pretty heavy cardstock that this is printed on. So very cute. Then we have our cash breakdown slips. And let me tell you, the gal at my bank loves these. I went through the drive-thru the other day to go and get my cash out, and she said, I absolutely love that you give us these teller slips. So these are sticky notes. So they do have a sticky on the back. And it's very beautiful green. It's kind of like a very light green, which this is fantastic to receive. And then we have icons. Let's see, there's one page of icons. So we've got different kinds of foods, pet, coffee, medicine, doctor, church, travel, the bug people, gas, takeout, payday, grocery, birthday hats, tea bags, very cute. Ooh. These are new cash envelopes. I have 3 from the previous month too, which is really exciting. And I love how she packs the orders. So they do have a spot on the front for you to put your category. Let me do this correctly here. And of course, the attention to detail. We've got rounded corners. Nobody's getting stabbed. Aren't these cute? These look really nice. I just absolutely love this month's pattern. And this is what I got in the last box. It was a sneak peek. I have it right here. All right. And, ooh, we'll save that for last. Okay, let me go ahead and move the box off to the side so we can, oh, there's little stickers. It's like deco. Okay, I got everything out. I gotta close this or the cats will get into it. They love the crinklies. Put it up there. Hopefully that doesn't fall. Okay, so we've got some deco, which is really exciting. And this is a sneak peek of next month's box. I have the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck workbook in the small size. So that is what my kit is for. She has other kits for other planning systems as well. So if you're interested, I have her linked down below. And I also have, let's see, this is all of her. Here you go. If you guys want to pause the video and take a screenshot, this is her website on the right-hand side, social media on the left. She does have YouTube as well, but the website is the easiest place to get the monthly subscription box because it has the recurring payment. So I just don't even have to think about it. It comes out on the 1st of every month. And I get my subscription box, which is fantastic. Okay, so let's open this. Okay, so she gives, ooh, okay, so we get different, we've got March, April, May, and June, I guess, so that I can pick what month I want to use it in. And there's plenty of stickers for the header. So like, this header here for the days of the week, you would put the month here, and she doesn't date the month or put the month on there. You put a sticker for, you know, whatever month you're using it in. And I love that she's given some different stickers, so you can use this any month, March, April, May, or June. So plenty of stickers for the months. And then we've got some no spend stickers. Super cute. This is the top of the calendar page. Now, she has a note on here. This one's for the left side. This one's for the right because the left side is smaller. And instead of, you can tell how little of a difference that is. And that's just like the attention to detail that I appreciate about her kits, is instead of giving you something that's too big or too small and making them the same size, she's adjusted the size so that it fits perfectly. I also love her scripts. There's the date, not date dots, date squares. And then she's got 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. So with the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck workbook, usually she'll color code the bills that are due within a paycheck. So this would be 1 paycheck, 2, 3, 4, if you wanted to color code it like that. And then these are for, again, the left side, because the left size, left size is smaller. So that is exciting. We've got more no spends, and you'll notice throughout the pages that any place she can put some extra deco stickers, she does. This is the sidebar, and we have some other icons for paydays and doctor visits, groceries, dentist, haircut, and then we have some washi. Here is the Paycheck budget tracker and thoughts and notes. And of course, we get more deco. These are the headers for each section of the Paycheck budget. So you got inflow, fixed expenses, variable, savings goals, debt, and then the totals. And then we've got more icons, more deco, cash envelope breakdown page, more deco, more payday stickers and calculators. This is for the cash envelope breakdown page. We've got priority goals, the envelopes, and then the denomination, which is on the right side of the page. And of course, we've got more deco, payday icons, and calculators. This is for the 5th week So we have all of the same, you know, headers, cash envelope, paycheck budget tracker, more deco, more icons. Expense tracker pages. Now I do like she gives these little arrows and they fit perfectly in the columns. Of course, we got more deco. This is the expense trackers. This is for the heading. So you get 6 of those. Of course, more arrows, more and more trackers, more deco. And then if you don't use all of the expense tracker pages, she does give you a page for sinking funds if you want to track those, or you can use the weekly check-ins. And just like with the others, I mean, we just have deco all over the page, arrows. I just love it. More deco, arrows. This is the monthly net worth tracker page. Debt payment plan. It did get a little bit bent from my box getting bent in shipping, but that is not her fault. We do have some more deco and icons. I just absolutely love this. You get so much for the cost of the monthly subscription box. Monthly budget category breakdown, more deco, icons, and arrows. This is for the meal plan. Got the days of the week header, and then little boxes for your meals. And of course, you got arrows and more deco down here. Thoughts and notations. Last page is for the notes page in the back of every month. She's got some really cute washi, some little sticky notes. There's to-dos or little dots that line up on the page. More dots here. Arrows, squiggly arrows, lots of deco. And then the last is these other deco stickers, which these are more shiny. These are like coated. You know what I like? I need to find the ones from last month. I don't think I put them in my planner, but I put January's on here. I didn't do February's. I need to find the stickers for February so I can put them in my on my front page. I really I like having the extra stickers. Of course, my nails are really long and I'm riding the struggle bus trying to get this off. So if you have thought about getting a Van Lily subscription box, I cannot recommend her stickers more. So with all of this that you get, her sticker subscription box is, for me, it was $37 and some change. And that includes the shipping. Like, there's no extra charges. That's it. And I mean, she gives you so many extras. I would challenge you to look at some other Etsy shops that have just stickers for the Budget Moms Budget by Paycheck workbook, or just budget planners in general, and see what you get and how much you can get for, you know, let's call it $38. I think that she gives you the most that I have been able to find. So, and her stickers, I've never had any problems with the way they were cut. They come off easily. They are not only easy to put down, but they're also easy to pull up. So when I've made mistakes and picked the wrong headers, I was able to make the change no problem. And even after I had them down for a couple weeks. Okay, so let's look at the sneak peek of what's to come. I love that she does this, because then it's like I kind of have an idea now of what the next box is going to look like, and I'm super excited about it. Purple is one of my favorite colors. Purple, pink, and gray. Ooh, lemons, purple roses, and lavender. Oh yeah, here we go. Says, get ready for the next box. Lavender Perfection with a twist of lemon. I love that. Oh my gosh, so cute. I love these. These are beautiful. So yeah, that's what we have to look forward to for next month's box. So excited. Again, I will have her link down in the description box below. I always have her linked. But again, if you want to, you know, pause the video and just take a screenshot of her website and her social media. This is not sponsored. I bought this all myself. She does not know that I'm making this video. I just absolutely love her stickers that much. So anyway, thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you for supporting my channel, and I hope you guys have a great day or night wherever you're at. Bye.